I'm going live again, so get the date in the diary for a slightly more relaxed chat around the Raspberry Pi Pico and projects. Sunday 21st of April 2024, 1400 BST. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, IoT, robotics and other fun tech. I'm planning a live stream right now, a catch up on interesting news around the Raspberry Pi Pico and its ecosystem, projects that I'm working on, and special announcement about my YouTube channel. So don't miss it. I'll do a Q&A session as part of the event. So if you have any questions about the Pico, my projects, or even about me, then drop me a line and I'll try and answer them in the live stream. See you on Sunday the 21st of April 2024, 1400 BST. Don't miss it.